ask you, how do you find what's in your image or video datasets? We have heard or come across the challenge of collecting good datasets, particularly when dealing with computer vision data. Images and videos are hard to come by, but hey, even after you collect or buy these datasets, it's not a walk in the park to view or navigate through them. We have heard quite some painful stories of trying to download in local folders, finding right viewers, particularly to view augmented data. This problem is even worse with videos, as you probably already know. But just like platform engineers look at logs to debug, data people need to find and look at their images and videos. So, as we were building our database, it occurred to us that one big job of a database is to let people search and navigate through their data, whether it's through a query language or user interface. So today, let me show you how ApertureDB lets you graphically search and navigate your visual datasets, which can also come in very handy if you're trying to debug or understand how this data affects your models, for example. Now, one thing I might remind, ApertureDB allows you to store any application metadata to go along with your images, embeddings, blobs, and videos. Metadata can include annotations as well. So here, we have set up an instance of ApertureDB and pre-populated it with the popular Coco dataset, which contains over 200,000 images and metadata in the form of annotations that can be polygons, bounding boxes, or segmentation masks. This UI, or the front end, gives you a very easy way to figure out what are the various objects loaded into the dataset, what are the various properties on each of the objects, which one of them are indexed, and also how are they related to one another. The image search tab on our UI gives you a very easy way to filter using some metadata properties that you care about, to select which properties you want to view, and in case you want to apply some operations when querying the dataset, you can do that too. When you run this query, this box here gives you the query that was generated. So this is a great way to get started when using our database. You can also see the results that were generated by the query. And when you click on the image, if the dataset was preloaded with bounding boxes or polygons, you'll be able to see them and in fact go ahead and edit or add new bounding boxes. You can do the same thing with videos using our video search tab. And when you become comfortable writing queries or you want to do something more complex, you can essentially use our custom query tab to run queries of your own and see results in a graphical manner. This was just a quick overview. To learn more, please subscribe to our channel or write to us. Thank you.